Three bullets which shocked the entire world. Mahatma Gandhi, or simply Mahatma, means great soul. Mahatma Gandhi are the two words that create up images of one man's greatness and sacrifice to achieve the happiness of millions. Born as Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi on 2nd October 1869, Gandhi worked tirelessly and at a great cost to himself for the freedom of India. He was one icon who is loved and respected by people across the globe. Born to the son of an Indian official in 1869, Gandhi's mother, Putlibai Gandhi, was deeply religious, so she exposed her son early to Jainism, an Indian religion that advocated non-violence. Gandhi was an unremarkable student, and in 1888 he was given an opportunity to study law in England. In 1891, he returned to India but failing to find regular legal work here, so in 1893 he accepted a one-year contract in legal department in South Africa. While he was settling in Africa, he was subjected to racism and South African laws that restricted the rights of Indian laborers. At one moment in his life, he was removed from a first-class railway compartment and thrown off a train. After that, he decided to fight injustice and defend his rights as an Indian in Africa. After his long stay in Africa for around 20 years, he was invited by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was the senior leader of Indian National Congress, to join Indian National Movement. After Gokhale thoroughly guided Mahatma Gandhi about the prevailing political situations in India and also the social issues of the time, Gandhiji gave Indians confidence in themselves that they were very equal to the British and showed them that we can defeat the greatest power of the world through peaceful means. Between the time of 1915 to 1947, Gandhiji led various movements in India, starting from Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 to his final Quit India movement in 1942. At that time, Mahatma Gandhi had become a national icon, and after getting imprisoned for a year because of the Salt March, he became more influential than ever. And after 200 years of colonization, India finally gained its independence on 15th August 1947. In early September 1947, Gandhi moved to Delhi to neutralize the riots that had started in the wake of partition and the creation of the new independent authorities that were India and Pakistan. But on 30th January 1948, an advocate of Hindu nationalism and also a member of the political party, the Hindu Mahasabha, Nathuram Godse, assassinated Mahatma Gandhi on the compound of Birla House, a large mansion in New Delhi. Nathuram Godse considered that the mass murdering and suffering caused during the partition could have been avoided if Mahatma Gandhi and the Indian government had stopped the killing of minorities in West and East Pakistan. Godse was always behind various riots that took place during that time. He was also arrested for political crimes and had also served a prison sentence. The concrete plan to assassinate Gandhi were initiated by Godse in 1948 after India and Pakistan had already started a war over Kashmir. On the day Gandhi went on hunger strike, Godse and his colleagues started planning on how to assassinate Gandhi. Nathuram Godse and Narayan Apte purchased a Beretta 1934. We all know that on 30th January, Gandhiji was shot. But no one talks about how Gandhiji survived one more attack which occurred on 20th January 1948. Nathuram Godse and his colleagues followed Gandhiji to a park where he was speaking. One of them threw a grenade over the crowd. The loud explosion scared the crowd and it created a chaotic situation, and Gandhi was left alone on the speaker's platform. But Digambar, an assassinator, lost his courage and did not throw the second grenade and run away with the crowd. But on 30th of January, after the meeting between Vallabhbhai Patel and Gandhi went past the scheduled time, and Gandhi was about 10 minutes late for the prayers meeting, somewhat after 5 p.m, when Gandhi was leading to the lawn, Godse stepped out and fired 3 bullets into Gandhi's chest and abdomen at point-blank range. Soon after this, Godse was beaten by the crowd and was arrested and taken to jail. Along with Nathuram Godse, many other assassinators were arrested. They were all identified as the prominent members of the Hindu Mahasabha, which was an organization opposing the Muslim rulers in Hyderabad state. Mahatma Gandhi's murder trial began on 27 May 1948 and ran for 8 months before Justice Atma Charan passed his final orders on 10 February 1949. Godse and Apte were sentenced to death on 8 November 1949 and were hanged in Ambala jail on 15th of November 1949.